And we're live. Back at you with the BMW fixings. So you see this cable right here? You know, it's between the engine doodly bop and the body. You know, you see these, they get all corroded, and then the car, she will not start. You know, so we go ahead and we take it off, and we take it off there too. See it here. And there is where we take it off. If you're in a pinch, there's a free one waiting for you right here. See this guy? If you're in a pinch, you're in the bush, you know, and you need to get the car out of the bush to go home, that's the ground strap you take, because your radio is going to be absolutely annoying. Now we're going to show you how to make one of these puppies very quick. So here I have my lovely assistant, and he's already gone and spoiled it, right? So we've made one already. So we got to do the other side. So we may as well take the ground strap out of the car and measure it so it's the appropriate length. So here we have the ratchet in the darkest corner of the ear. Now when you're loosening these, make sure that you have this orange cap on. And no big long metal sticks between the ground strap and the contacts right under here. You know, no touchies. Lots of no touchy there. So this is the strap next to the new stuff we replace it with. See, it starts to get a little bit green. Looks good on camera. Let's go get a bad sample to show the people what it's going to look like eventually. And you know, so we're going to cut it right about here. Boom. There you go. Just came right off. Look at the future. See, this is what happens to your ground strap eventually. Becoming flexible again. See? Putting all the shiny stuff out. Anyways, that's the bottom one. We're doing the top one today. To make the end, you got to unsheath the cable. Whoa. See? Nice and unsheathed. Next, grab the eye and slip it onto the wire. Next, get the eye, the little crimper part of the eye, and squeezing it on the one side. So it's really tight. Next, squeezing it on the other side so this is really, really tight. Next, we give it the heat and hotner, and we're just going to warm it up gently and feed it the solder. This is my favorite part. See, doesn't that just look lovely now? Smoking gun. For a nice fit while it's still hot, give her a quick tap to put a nice bend in it so it goes in really easy. Now for finishing touch, you wrap it up with the electrical tape, and then we pop it back in. Before you put it back in, grab your file, and then you grab the nut. See, it's a little bit polished, and then you rub it on the file until it's clean. Look at that. Super shiny. Really good contact there. See, this is what the nut looks like before. It's not really the shiniest, so it's kind of got rust on it, but it's also not bad. So you can save it just by rubbing it on foil. And then, oh, super shiny. Yeah. And then you just pop it back in, right here, and you just crank her home. Super tight. Well, it's a 10 mil, so not super tight, but make sure you tighten it up. Nice and tight with that. The bottom one tight? No. No, it's not tight? Okay. And then you grab the heat shield that's rubbing on the cable there, and you squish it in. So then it doesn't rub anymore. So you squash it out. You don't want no touching or rubbing. No good. No good. Anyways. Ciao for now.